feel it now, don't you? The original wound, the trauma, and the triggers. When the masculine and feminine split. And one became two in the beginning. Before consciousness, before source. Create, cultivate, generate, give, selflessly, something so sublime, transcendental sublimity, a beauty beyond beautiful itself. Give this freely and see it misused, exploited, trampled on, and used, abandoned, and treated like a diamond that was trash, gold that was worthless, a rainbow that you were too busy to admire the reflection of beauty within. It is blind and it is ignorant. And yes, you want to show it what to see, how to see. You want to teach it what to know and how to understand. But yet, the distortion so high on the ego self, the narcissist, Lucifer experiment, the idolization and worship of the self-structure, the birth of Kali Yuga, and this distorted experiment with the full spectrum of potentiality, not evil, though very much so evil. What is the purpose? When you wake from your dream, or better yet, awaken within this dream, what have you brought back with you from your physical body's resting state? That which we call a dream, but is in fact inverted. When consciousness continues on as the form recharges in the mind. This place, the Kali Yuga, was an abandonment of Dharma, of truth, in place of gaslight and ignorance sparkle with forgeries of enlightenment and wisdom. The Kali Yuga was an abandonment of truth, of Dharma, the pathless path, the way. Artificial light born in an artificial construct. A golden calf called God in a kingdom that never was a kingdom. It is a unified field that is inside you and all around you. Allow me to correct the Gnostic interpretation or translation. The unified field is inside you and all around you. It is you, not in some godly, kingly sense, but in the process of how a river flows, the way, the verb, and the noun as one unified process of being. Though the construct, the Kali Yuga, has abandoned the way, if you are awakened this morning and have come back from your great work, your magnum opus, and brought with you the gnosis you've achieved and all your effort and work, a second here is like decades there. And that's where you are now, animating this form and this dream. And you know this. You feel it when you wake up after sleeping 8 hours, but feel like you had been in battles for years and never resting. That you have faced down every demonic part of yourself. And then gave it a hug. Because you finally understand. It just didn't know any better. But you do. You've always known. And that's why you're here. Nobody forced you. You chose this. Now. This time. This place. This exact second. Here we are. So though the Kali Yuga was an experiment in abandoning the way, now that it is over, in the age of Aquarius, I would like to say Ophiuchus, the 13th gate. The golden age of all golden ages starts the moment you stop abandoning yourself. Beyond the heart of hearts, beyond the source, the blank canvas of consciousness. Every word, every thought, every feeling you decide and choose to place your attention on, to create. Ham Mane Padme Hum. The jewel is in the lotus. The treasure is in attention, the power of creation, not as a masculine or feminine egoic identification with form, but when the two become one again, which they always were, as you see God in the eyes of all beings and all empty spaces, in all consciousness, you begin to understand how important Abracadabra actually always was. I create as I speak, in Aramaic, not a bibbidi-bobbidi boo, but the great responsibility to the unborn one awakened again, with the power at your disposal. If you continue to develop it in baby steps, to be very mindful, here is another power, on what you place your attention on, what you think, what you choose to feel, the energy you are generating, absorbing, and training. What you say and what you do, it all matters. The logos. Your power is to create something greater even than love. And if you resist that,